impact wrench deal hack. Big shout out to Marco at Two Deals Facebook group. Don't forget to help out this channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon, so we can buy more tools like this, make more to review videos. That's the way YouTube runs the platform. My subscribers and likes, so help out this channel by doing so. Alright, so we got the 18-volt cordless half-an-inch impact wrench, 4 amp hour battery and charger. So this is some sort of mid-torque impact wrench with the 4 amp hour. This is not a high torque, but check this out. It's 169 down from 269. You go down here to the free gift with purchase. You can select, I'm trying to sell this thing. Alright, so you can select, what's up with this? That's not gonna let me do it. It's not gonna let me do it. Alright, what? I gotta delete everything in the cart, I guess. Alright, you go down here to the free gift with purchase. You can select from the 18-volt brushless cordless half-an-inch high torque hammer drill, valued at $149. You can select the brushless cordless 3/8 ratchet, 2 only, valued at $189. You can select the 4.5 paddle switch angle grinder, valued at $159. The brushless 7 1/4 circular saw, valued at $189. You can select the oscillating tool, valued at $149. The heat gun, valued at $119. The job site fan, $79, or the hybrid LED light, $149. The spotlight for $99, or you can select the one-handed reciprocating saw, subcompact. That's it. So obviously, for the best value, you're going to choose the most expensive one. You're going to choose a circular saw. That's nice. I'm going to choose the ratchet. Add to the cart. So $89.22 for the ratchet. Killer deal on that one. But check this out. Impact